To add DXY to Mt5, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to understand what DXY is. DXY, also known as the US dollar index, is a measure of the value of the United States dollar relative to a basket of foreign currencies. To add DXY to Mt5, start by opening your MetaTrader 5 platform. Click on the MarketWatch window, which is usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Right-click inside the MarketWatch window and select Symbols. In the Symbols window, click on the Add button. In the search bar, type DXY and select the DXY symbol from the results. If you cannot find DXY in the search results, you may need to enable it in your broker's settings or contact your broker for assistance. Once you have added DXY to the Symbols window, you can add it to the MarketWatch window by clicking and dragging it from the Symbols window to the MarketWatch window. You can also add DXY to a chart by clicking on the New Chart button and selecting DXY from the list of available symbols. To view the DXY chart, select the time frame you want to view and the type of chart you want to use, such as a candlestick chart or a line chart. You can also add indicators and other tools to the chart to help with analysis. Adding DXY to Mt5 can be a valuable tool for traders, as it allows them to monitor the value of the US dollar and make more informed trading decisions. By following these steps, you can easily add DXY to your Mt5 platform and start using it in your trading strategy.